Mohammed Al Fayed offers Britain's most famous shot to the Qatari royal family, saying he wants to spend more time with his grandchildren.
This is Sky News with Kay Burley in Westminster.
Behind me, we've got some demonstrators saying fair votes now. Not quite sure what they mean by that. They're heading towards the Lib Dem leader. Rachel Younger is there for us this afternoon. I don't know if you can hear me, Rachel, over all this noise. What's happening where you are?
Well, I don't know if you can hear me, Kay. I'm having a lot of trouble hearing you. But this is a demonstration we believe organised by the group called 38 Degrees. There are around 130,000 members of those on Facebook. They're a group that demands PR. So you can imagine why they're out here now. Their banners read, "Take back Parliament, unlock democracy, where's my vote, stand up and be counted." And of course, the reason they are filling Smith